Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. I hope you have been well. So today is another day, another beautiful day for self-care. I decided to go for waxing. I usually go to this place in Nairobi CBD. It's called ZEN SPA. It's located at Platinum Plaza, opposite Imenti House, 7th floor. I really love this place because look at the decor, look at everything about it. Look at the color combination, the purple. It's so beautiful. It's screaming royalty. Look at it. Look at it. The staff are so friendly, by the way. The lighting is so natural. The rooms are so many, you don't have to wait to get your service. They actually have, I think, 12 rooms. So you can get anyone you want to do your services. So make an effort to visit. Look at the rooms. The rooms are so spacious. They're well lit. You usually get a cloth for you to change into. Yeah, so go visit, loves. So I've come to do my waxing.
Come closer, dance for me. Easy, tiger, easy, let your hair down. Come closer, let me see all your million faces and all your million mistakes. You don't need to hide. Come closer so we can be together.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. So, yo, I look so good. I'm so pretty.
I know the weather might have you feeling a bit down.
I have to carry my lip gloss everywhere I go.
I've decided to play hits to go with it. Kleptomaniacs with Swing Summer Walker featuring Asher coming through.
So I'm carrying this bag from Fifi Collections as always. It's available in brown and in white. You can grab one for yourself. It's only going for 1,500. Yes. So hi guys, so I passed by ZEN SPA to restock this product. So I restocked this wet wipe. Wipes. These are my favorite. They just do the work for me all the time. They're so affordable. This pack goes for 500. It's 40 pieces and they are self. Let me have one that's already opened. It looks like this. So you can just carry 2, 3, put them in your bag. You don't have to carry the whole box. I really do love them, by the way. I always use them after, especially they usually help, especially after periods. They help a lot. So I got this Kuch wipes. So the yoni oil is out of stock, so they recommended this. I'll use it and see how it works for me, because my yoni oil is totally over. I'm so used to this, by the way. I've never used this, so this will be my first time to use it, because they also said it helps you can use it on your skin, because it's aloe vera. You can use it on your skin, on your face. So I'll use it instead of these. But
no rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at.